These guys just came across with their babies.
Got a couple more.
There's a couple more still in the street.
That's funny. There's some mourning doves over hanging out with them too.
A whole bunch of them. Well, we got the car all packed up and we're actually on the road already. Got out early this morning, a little bit later than I wanted to, but that's okay. We're still gonna be there pretty early, I think. But we're headed to Byron for Six Summer. It's gonna be an awesome party all week long, I hope. We're just about to Six Summer, but we spotted a jet, so we thought we'd pull over and take a video of it, a little picture of it. How cool is that? They got this right in the middle of the little town of Lena. Just pulling up to Byron Dragway for the beginning of Six Summer. Looks like the racers are already in the staging lanes, getting ready to start getting their cars all teched out, and we're gonna figure out what we gotta do to get in here. Well, we made it here to the Byron Dragway, and we were actually one of the first 500, so we actually got free shirts, and I was able to actually upgrade the ticket that I got. So we are in the Spit and Shine, so we'll be parked on the inside for the rest of the week. For today, they're just parking us outside because it would have been too much of a headache to figure out what cars are qualified and what aren't. So, should be an awesome week. We have probably a pretty packed place here today, considering it's very early in the morning and there's already a ton of spectators showing up. So, it should be a blast.
Oh, there's Fleet. I just wish they weren't already here. That's what I'm saying. We got Spray
That's why they're not tech yet. They're just getting here.
Mustang and the
Well, so we made it as the first 500 people to get a free shirt, but that makes a line really long when they do that. Alice Taylor's been spotted. She's already done getting tagged.
Weekends.
These guys are waiting.
So we will take any small bills that you have at any of the concession stands. Tech is rolling out here in the staging lanes. Go wander through,
Continue
check out
straight,
cars,
then turn right.
into the pits, say hi to your favorite racers. We'll be on track. Whatever Tech has done, somewhere around 2 to 3 o'clock this afternoon, do a short test session. We'll roll into a birthday party.
So all these guys are waiting to get tagged. So it seems it's going to be a long day. But they got Cletus's cars unloaded. Oh, there's one. Forrest got through tech. He's checking in right now. Hopefully we see some awesome passes with the Boostmaster. Alright, so 6th summer, day 0 is extremely warm and not really much going on. There's still teching cars, so we haven't seen a single car run down the track. It's a little after 2 o'clock. Our check-in is 3 o'clock at our hotel. I think we're going to go check in our hotel and get cleaned up a little bit and then come back for Sam's birthday bash. But right now, everybody's just standing out in the sun and there's no shade. So, yeah, we're going to go hit the hotel up and make sure we get checked in. And, yeah, it's hot. Second time I got to see new plants not this week, but in 2 weeks.
Our next pair comes up right-hand side, the classic coupe, left side, the Blazer. Stage on the left side right here. Coming out of the Blazer on the left side. So we'll get there first 1073 to a 1077. That brings up the Buick Grand National left side. And Joe Haney. Rachel pickup truck. Unfortunately, Rachel will not be able to join us this year. Joe is taking his daughter on 6 summer 1078 at 128. At 128, 11, 10, 121. I'll bring up the Plymouth on the right hand, or excuse me, on the left hand side. The Duster will line up against the SM95 model Mustang on the right hand side. Starting to close the gap a little bit, we'll do so. 1095 at 129 on the right-hand side, 1146, 116 for the Mopar. That'll bring up the Patina 55 Chevy next on the right side. Line up against the Dodge Challenger on the left-hand side. Chevy was getting something done there. And then and they got it rolled towards the starting line. Goes 14:04, 83 miles an hour. Be once again wishing Mr. Sam from the Cletus McFarland Group and Sam Shine for that. He's in the pit area right next to the SICK Magazine Orange merchandise booth. Our next pair brings up the F-150 pickup truck and the white Dodge Challenger on the right-hand side of the racetrack. Right 12:21 at 106 for the Ford pickup truck. Couple of supercharged rides coming up next. The Chevrolet pickup truck with the big block and the supercharger peering out of the hoodless cavity in the front. He'll line up with Ian Hogshead, the Tom Hogshead Chevrolet Nova. The Disco Nova that has been around a lot of drag and drives, now backing a supercharged small block, I believe, underneath the hood. We'll go 10:38 at 128, 10:16, 127 for the pickup truck. You'll run it with TJ Lloyd. Looks like right lane might be having some trouble. 11:42, 119 for the Mustang. The Malibu is slowing.
Oh, he lost the belt.
And what?
I think he lost his belt. He's got a belt in his hand. Oh, yeah.
And right-hand side looks like they may have shredded the belt based on the Byron Dragway official that's pointing him back as he's holding the belt in his right hand. Goes 10:51, 130. Now is a great time to go over and grab yourself some dinner. If you would like to do so. Once again, thanks to John and the fine group at Delta Pack for putting on the pizza party for the second year. We do appreciate that. As I mentioned, we will have cake and...
Ladies and gentlemen, we need you loud and proud. Mr. Sam's 80th birthday, okay? Loud as you can. Happy birthday
So after watching Sam get his birthday cake, we decided it was time to come back to the hotel. Actually, we watched the last Cars race, so we pretty much shut the place down. And it was time to make dinner. So parking lot food it is. We got grilled pork chop and baked beans and a couple beers. So we're gonna have a delicious dinner, kind of hanging out here in the parking lot. All right, and while my food's cooking, I actually had to go and get a can of glass cleaner because I had to drive through rain on the way home from Power Tour. So I just rain-xed my window, and I have stickers like this guy's got to get on the front of the window before we show up tomorrow, because we bought better parking tickets to park on the infield or in the pits. So I'm gonna get the car all cleaned up and ready to go for tomorrow.